How to fix YouTube font size. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So let's launch the YouTube application first of all, and you'll be able to see the size of the font over here. But if you want to change the font size of YouTube, you have to change the font size for the system as a whole, for the device as well. So simply tap on the settings application and scroll down and then tap on display option. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of text size. Tap on the text size option under font, and here you can see this intensity where you can select from the text size. You can select from small, large, extra small to extra or double XL. So you can select whichever option is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on large for now, or let's select extra large for more impact. And then we can now just go back and let's go to the YouTube application over here just to check if we have the font changed. So let's tap on YouTube and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.